pole in the 71. He is out of Olympia, Washington, sponsored by DNS Light Truck and Auto and CW Exhaust and Auto Care, Chris Brannon.
I don't know it. It's at Burns. Thanks. I keep trying to say Burns, but...
Green flag drops, and we are underway as Mr. Happy takes the field down into turns 1 and 2 with Zach Florent on his outside. Brannon with a little bit of an advantage as they come off of turn number 2. And Florent, a good run on the outside as he got into 3, pulled up alongside of Brannon, but Brannon gets it right back. A little loose coming off of 4 was Chris Brannon. That is a new car for Chris Brannon. He's been really working on that setup and trying to get it dialed in. That car used to be the black 99 that belonged to Brian Bykirk. There's Zach Florent now goes out into the lead. Tony Glenn working to the outside of Brannon, and Brannon just pulls down. Clearly not happy right now with that 71 car. The white flag is out on Zach Florent. Coming off of turn number 4, your first trophy dash winner of the night, Zach Florent. Coming into the night, Brad Borden is the points leader. Brad may not be racing anymore here this year. Tyler Lobin is second in points. He actually set fast time and then his motor let go. And as they work their way around Metters is just going to go out high. A little iffy on that start, but they got through it. And we got going around in turn 2, the 91, Robbie Bielsma. Robbie Bielsma down in the grass. He is moving. We are going to stay green for the moment. See if Bielsma can get back up onto the racing surface as the field works their way by. And with all that action, we do have a leader, Chris Brannon, bringing the field off at turn number 4. Brandon Fisher right on Brandon's rear bumper as they go off into turns 1 and 2. Brannon just moving up out of the lane as he knew he was not going to be able to hold off Brandon Fisher. So nice little bit of sportsmanship there by Chris Brannon. Again, trying to get used to that 71. That is a new car for Chris. And Brandon Fisher now has opened up a pretty big lead. And Brannon has settled into that second spot and running third in the 24 is James Warren. Halfway in this 8-lap heat race for the Hinkle-Holmes Hobby Stocks. Brandon Fisher right now trying to work his way by Bielsma, and he does. And Bielsma right now just going to hold the line that he's in, allow the field to work to the outside. Single file from front to back as Brandon Fisher stretches out that lead as he goes off into turns 3 and 4. Chris Brannon still sitting in that second spot, but he's getting a challenge from James Ward as they come off of turn number 4. Ward got a little bit loose coming off of 4. That allows Brandon to hold on to that second spot. Final set of corners for Brandon Fisher. Going to bring home a heat race victory here in the Hinkle-Holmes Hobby Stocks. Brandon Fisher, your winner. Chris Brannon coming home second. And then it was James Warren rounding out the top 3.